guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some big recruitment updates from various companies. The companies that we are going to see are Wipro is there, Accenture is there, TCS is there, Infosys is there, and also Goldman Sachs is. So we'll be seeing the recruitment updates one by one. There is opportunity for any year of pass out, any graduate. Also, there is internship opportunity. So please to watch this video till the end. If you are a fresher or if you are having year of pass out 2015 or 16, whichever year of pass out you are, you can see the video till the end, and please make use of this content and please do apply for it. Okay, so let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first company that we are going to see is Wipro itself. Wipro is actually hiring a lot of freshers, I must say, nowadays, especially after the COVID situation. Because of this COVID situation, a lot of recruitment is happening. The COVID situation has settled down a little bit, so the companies are requiring more people as employees. So they are hiring a lot of freshers. Okay, so let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first post from Wipro is Associate YT. The location is Hyderabad. Currently, all companies, we know that they are providing work from home. You will also get work from home here. The only requirement is that you need to have a good written and verbal communication skill. You should be a proactive person, ability to learn, then speaking skills, excellent comprehension skills. That is the only requirement. Only freshers and graduates are eligible to apply. Clearly you can see in the notification itself. I'm not telling it. In the notification they have written it. Okay, so please do apply for it. If you are interested, just click on this apply icon. This is for Hyderabad location. Okay, the next post that we are going to see is again from Wipro itself for production specialist. Again, the location is Hyderabad only. And I want to tell you one thing, that all these recruitment updates which I am bringing to you are very recent updates only. Okay, not bringing any old updates through my videos, because whenever I filter the job updates in the company sites, I use a filter that recent ones only. So I am only showcasing the recent recruitment notifications. So this is a production specialist post. Again, it is more kind of a BPO job. Again, require only basic skills like verbal skills, written ability, speaking ability, comprehension ability. Only freshers and graduates are eligible. Okay, so please make use of these contents. I'm trying to bring up as much as possible. Please do apply for it as much as possible for you, and you will definitely get a job. Don't worry. Okay, so production specialist Hyderabad is the next post. Just click on this apply icon, and any graduate is eligible, any year of pass out is eligible, so please do apply for it. So these are the two recruitment updates from Wipro. Next one is again from Wipro, but it is actually a work integrated learning program by Wipro. So the Wipro is hiring for people with qualification BCA and BSc, and with the year of pass out 2020, 2021 and 2022. And this will be a work integrated learning program. So you'll be getting a working facility here, also a learning facility. So this is going to be like this. So you will be working in the company. Along with that, they will provide you the facility to do an MTech degree, and the amount that you have to pay for the MTech degree will be completely taken by the company itself. And you can see that here they have given the stipends that you will be getting in various years. During the first year it will be 15,000. Also second year it will be 70,000. Along with that, some allowances also they have mentioned here. Then in the fourth year you will be getting 23,000. So along with this 23,000, after the fourth year you'll be having an MTech degree also. Okay, so you can pursue your masters under the financial support of company. Along with that, you will get work experience, also you will get money. Okay, so this is actually an excellent program. So the companies like Wipro and Mindtree, they mainly do this that is this process, or they mainly conduct this process, the work integrated learning program. Along with Wipro, Mindtree is also hiring people like this. Means they'll be also hiring the people from BSc, BCA backgrounds, and they will make you do the masters. Okay, so along with working opportunity, you will get learning opportunity also. So if you are having these qualifications, please to apply for it. Also, the last day they have mentioned here towards the end, you can see last day to apply is 7th of February. There is actually enough time. Don't wait till that. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. Next recruitment update we are going to see is from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for BTech 21 and 20 graduates. Also BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA or BA 2021 graduates are being recruited by Accenture. Just click on this apply, and you can see the application form that you have to fill up. Okay, so just click on I am not a robot, and then you have to scroll down and next. Then you can see the application form that you have to fill up to apply for this post. So this is direct hiring for associate software engineer. You can see the job description here. So the eligibility we have already seen. Anyway, if you want to have a look on it once again, just click on this eligibility criteria. BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc candidates of 2020 and 2021 pass out are eligible to apply here. It is open and apply for it. Also, people with qualification BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA, BA, all the, I must say, all the graduation backgrounds they are calling, with the year of pass out 2020 and 2021. Also, they are hiring for postgraduates. So here they are hiring for ME, MCA, MSc with the branches computer science and IT only. So for the postgraduates, if you are a postgraduate from computer science and IT branches, and the year of pass out is 2020 and 2021, just click on this explore and just apply for it. So that's it. Okay. So again, this is a bulk recruitment update from Accenture. Nowadays, if you see all the companies like Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, all the companies are hiring bulk amount of people. If you are interested in working with a software firm, I must say this is the right time. Okay, so we have seen the application form for Accenture also. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. The next update we are going to see is from TCS. Actually, TCS has extended the date of application of this recruitment. So TCS off-campus hiring is happening for 2020 and 2021 year of pass out. And the streams that they are hiring are BTech, all the streams, computer science, civil IT, mechanical, all the streams are eligible, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. And the year of pass out 2020 and 2021 are eligible to apply here. You can actually check the test eligibility below, and you can check whether you are having the proper qualification. I'll show you what is the test eligibility. So you should be a student, or you should be having year of pass out 2020 2021, 60% or 6 CGPA that you require in 10th 12th diploma, graduation and post graduation. Highest qualification should have completed. Backlogs and areas is not allowed. So this is the essential requirements. Also, you can check about the test pattern here. Just click on this test pattern and you can see what is the test pattern. Okay, totally 180 minutes test will be there. Part A and Part B, two parts will be there. Cognitive skills and programming skills. Okay, so this is a hiring happening for 2020 and 2021 year of pass out. So freshers and final years are eligible to apply here. Okay. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Landis and Guy. So this is a company which is mainly focused on energy management. So they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee. So the date of joining they have given is 8th of Jan. So 18th of January. The salary is 5.5 lakh per annum to 7.5 lakh per annum. Job locations they have given is mainly Noida location. Experience is 0 to 1 years. Okay, freshers. The requirements and skills also they have given here. So the basic requirements is your qualification details. So you should be having a technical knowledge in Python, GCP means Google Cloud, cloud technologies. So cloud technology is actually having a lot of demand. All the companies are hiring people with cloud knowledge. So if you are interested in working with companies, I would say that if you could do some courses or some certification in Google Cloud or some other clouds like Amazon, AWS Cloud or Azure, you can definitely do it because it is having a lot of demand nowadays. Then your educational requirements is BTech, and the streams computer science, IT, EC, are eligible. MSc, MCA are also eligible. We are looking for 2020 and 2021 past candidate who can join immediately. Okay. So this is the recruitment update. If you are interested, just click on this apply icon and you can apply for it. Just click on this apply now icon. Okay. The next update we are going to see is from Infosys. So Infosys is actually hiring for 2021 batch pass out candidates with the qualification BTech, ME, MTech, and also MCA and MSc. Okay, so they are hiring for the post of software engineer. Okay, so the job role or the post name is software engineer. BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc is the educational backgrounds for which they are hiring. Year of pass out is 2021. And the selection process will be consisting of online assessment and interviews. So if you are having these qualifications, Just fill up the application form. This is actually an Infosys survey form and you have to fill up and apply for it. Okay. So just click on I agree and accept. Okay. Next you can see a survey form with a lot of fields. You have to fill up all the fields. Okay. So you'll be asked for your basic details, educational details, experience details. If you are having any certification details, all the details you have to upload, also your resume. Okay. And your photo. You have to upload your photo and your resume. So fill up this application form and apply for the drive of Infosys if you are a 2021 pass out candidate. The last recruitment update we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. The company is hiring for interns and new analyst post. We have seen this recruitment updates in previous videos also. So I'll quickly tell you what is the details if you have missed out previous videos. Okay. So they are hiring for the new analyst post from the year of pass out 2022 and they are hiring for interns. This is summer internship for 2023 batch of pass out. The last date to apply here is January 3rd. Aptitude test will be starting from January 9th. If you have previously applied for the Goldman Sachs recruitment, means if you have already applied for this post, then you should prepare by January 9th. Okay, January 9th is going to be the starting date of selection process. From that date, you can expect to give the test, which is aptitude test. Then February 13th, there will be technical test. And from the 4th week of February, you have to give interviews. That is going to be the selection process here. So they are hiring for two different posts, new analyst and intern. If you are having the eligibilities and if you are interested, please do apply accordingly by clicking the register icon. Okay. So that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates. We have seen the recruitment updates from Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, and Goldman Sachs. So if you are interested in any of these updates, all the links I'll be putting in description. Apply for it as soon as possible and start preparing. Okay. So please do try to apply maximum. Whichever job roles you are eligible, try to apply maximum and try to give the test with 100% preparation. You have to prepare also. Don't just randomly attend the drives. Before attending the drives, you have to make a good preparation and then attend the drive. And then you will be, after attending various drives, you will get a experience about how the test pattern is going to be and what all type of questions you can face. Then gradually you will study and you will definitely get a job. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Also, support the channel by subscribing to it. Tell your friends to subscribe the channel also. Share the videos with them also. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.